Today we are going to look at the fill-in-the-blank text question type in assessment. I've already created my assessment, so I'm going to open the assessment, click on the Questions tab, scroll down and choose fill-in-the-blank text question type. I've already predetermined my question, so in the question setup field, I'm either going to type or paste my question. Now, fill-in-the-blank text question type allows you to remove words from your question and place a blank for the students to type the correct response that fits into that sentence. So I'm going to highlight a word, I'm going to cut that word, and now I need a blank for the students to type their response in. There are two ways to insert a blank. If you'll notice above, it says to create a blank, you can type the underscore, or you can come over here to the toolbar and click the Insert Response icon. When I do that, notice it gives me a response box. If I look below at the correct answer setup field, now I have a text box that the students will see and they can type the correct answer in the text box. I'm going to click in that box and paste my word since I had just cut it from up above. So I'm going to cut another word, insert a response box, and then I will come below and paste the correct answer in the box. So in my correct answer setup field, notice there are two tabs. It says correct, and then there's a plus. Correct means these are the correct answers that the students should submit. But if I'm going to choose or accept alternate answers, I can click the plus icon and put alternate answers in these boxes that are acceptable for the students to submit. But I'm going to close that. Let's look at scoring type. If I choose exact match, they must get both of these answers exactly like you see them in the correct answer field. So either they get both of these correct or they are awarded no points for this question. If I choose partial match, the students can earn partial credit based on the correct responses that they have submitted. The maximum length in characters is default to 40. This is the size of the text boxes that the students can type in. If you don't like the size of that text box, you can change it, make it something smaller. Now, if you'll notice above, the text boxes are smaller. I encourage you not to choose or to check case sensitive. We don't want to limit the students' answers to be just uppercase or just title case or just lowercase. So leave that off. You can click in the author notes field and type your notes, but remember the students do not see those notes. You can align your learning objectives for this question, and then you can either click save or preview. I'm going to scroll in the top right and I'm going to click Preview Question. Now, this is what the students would see in this assessment. There are the sentences with the blank text boxes for the students to click and type their response in the box. Schoology will automatically grade and score this question type. If I like the way this question looks, I would click Save in the bottom right corner. Or if I want to make additional edits, I can click Edit Question in the top right corner. I'm going to click Save, and now my assessment is ready for my students.